Hey you guys, it's Wednesday. It is time for your next assignment. We're going to do linear equations today. So I'm going to teach you kind of what we did off yesterday off t-charts. I want you to really utilize t-charts in this. So if we look at question 1, below is a table of values of functions with the output when the input is n. Okay, so we're going to put n in here as my input, and then we're going to have an output. I'm going to write it over here in a t-chart because this is what we're going to use later. You can see I just took the data and I turned it vertically. That's given over here. Okay, so we've got an input, we got an output. We have an independent variable and we got the dependent variable. So to get from 4 to 20, in the same way to get from 5 to 25, to get from 8 to 40, we're going to do multiplication. We're going to multiply by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So we're going to multiply n by 5. N times 5 gives us, over here, 5n. Right? We don't write n5. We always write the number first. Okay? So same thing with the next one. My input is 5 becomes 2, is 8 becomes 5, is 9 becomes 6, is n becomes something. Okay, so each time we go, we're subtracting 3. 5 minus 2, you can see it over here too. 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, n minus 3 is n minus 3. We don't know what it is yet. We just have that as our expression. Okay, the next one. Ryan makes $9 for each hour of work. He makes $9 per hour. So if I put hours over on this side, after 1 hour he makes $9. After 2 hours he makes 18. After 3 he makes 27. This is how much money he makes. This is my independent variable and my dependent variable. Okay, so we're going to write an equation to represent his total pay, P, after h hours. So we said this side was h hours and this side's P. So to get from h to P, we're multiplying by 9. So 9 times h equals P. Or better yet, 9h equals P. And we use our t-chart to solve that. Okay? Let's do another example of that. Question 4. Joe bought n packs of pencils. So over here we have n packs of pencils. So we could try 1, 2, 3. Each pack has 10 pencils. Write an equation to represent the total number of pencils, P, that Joe bought. Okay, so over here we have pencils, which is P. 1 pack, 10 pencils. 2 packs, 20. 3 packs, 30. So to go this way, what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply by 10. 1 times 10, 2 times 10. So it's n times 10. N times 10 is going to equal P. Or better yet, 10n equals P. Alright, so that's getting us set up for the next portion. It's much more challenging. Susan earns $43 each week working part-time at a bookstore. She earns $1 additional for each book she sells. Okay, so let's go back to our t-chart over here. $43 each week. $1 additional for each book. She's let A be the amount in dollars. So how much money does she have over here in dollars for each book she sells? So if she sells 0 books, she's going to make $43. If she sells 1 book, she's going to make $44. 2 books, $45. So to get from my books to my money, to get from my B to my A, I'm going to add 43 each time. So B plus 43 gives me A. Or 43 plus B, it doesn't matter the order, equals A. That's my equation relating A to B. Okay, so now we're going to figure out if she sells 22 books. Okay, so I could go back to my t-chart over here, or I could just plug 22 in up here. 43 plus 22 gives me $65. All right, let's do another one like that. Rachel tutors math. For each hour she tutors, she earns $30. Okay, so for each hour, the money she gets, 1 hour, $30. 2 hours, $60. 3 hours, $90. Okay, let E be her earning. So over here we have earnings after H hours. So H times 30 is going to equal E. Or better yet, 30H equals E. Okay, how much does she earn if she works 19 hours? So we're going to plug 19 in there. 30 times 19 equals Z. Okay, well 3 times 19, 3 times 20 is 60, so 3 less than that's 57. And then with the 0, your answer is $570. All right, let's keep going. Next question. Oh, we already have a T-chart for us. Brian's T-shirt store accepts coupons. The table shows the price in dollars for various shirts with or without a coupon. Use X for the price with the coupon and Y for the price without the coupon. Do the following. Plot the ordered pairs, then write an equation. Price with the coupon, price without the coupon. Okay, so this is our ordered pairs. We have 0.9, 10, 0.13, 14, 14, 15. This should be linear. 15, 16, you can see they're all going to go in a straight line. Okay, so how do we get from X to Y? Should be pretty evident. We're just doing one more, so we're just adding 1. So X plus 1 equals Y. That's my equation. Okay, a printer is printing photos. The table shows the number of photos printed in different amounts of time in minutes. Use X for the time and Y for the number of photos. Do the following. Plot it. So again, you could go through and plot 1, 4, 2, 8. If you just plot a couple, you'll see that it's linear. You can just follow that line up. Okay, and then my equation to get from X to Y. Well, we could try adding 3, but that doesn't work here. So it's going to be a multiplication. It's times 4. Times 4, times 4. So X times 4, or better yet, 4X equals Y. Okay, our last question. Juan needs to read 6 novels each month. Let N be the number of novels Juan needs to read in M months. Write an equation, then we'll use the equation to graph it. 6 novels each month. So my independent variable is months. Months just keep going. Determines the novels. After 1 month, 6 novels. 2 months, 12 novels. 3 months, 18 novels. And so it said use M for months, N for novels. How do we get from here to here? Times 6. M times 6 equals N. Or 6M equals N. So that's my equation. Now if I'm going to graph it, all I really need to do is find 2 points, and since they're linear, I can just connect those 2 points. So I could do 1, 6. I could do 0, 0 even. 2, 12. This graph gets away from us pretty fast because it's so steep. This kid's a reader. All right, that's how you do your homework for the day, your class assignment. Go in there, try to knock it out. I'll be available on Zoom from 11 to 12 if you need help. See ya.